Hello everyone, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat and welcome to our YouTube channel. Once again, this is Rofi Lacson. And for today's video mga kaibigan, pag-uusapan po natin itong HFM as a broker wherein pwede po tayo mag-trade dito sa Pilipinas. In this video discussion, pag-uusapan po natin ang HFM top features, including sa kanilang mga licenses to operate in the financial markets, the account types na pwede nating i-open pag tayo ay nag-trade sa broker na to, and also pag-usapan din po natin ang trading platforms and deposit and withdrawals at iba pang mga informations about this trading broker. Kaya this video is for you kung naghahanap ka ng review about HFM, kung ang broker ba na to ay mapagkatiwalaan at reliable. And let's proceed. Now una, ano po ba itong HFM? Founded in 2010, HFM is a leading online broker that offers a diverse range of assets including nitong mga forex, metals, stocks, indices, cryptocurrencies, and many more. In short, kung interested ka at naghahanap ng opportunities na makapag-invest in the financial markets, HFM is a broker na pwede po nating i-consider na makapag-facilitate at makatulong sa atin with their services. Regulated by numerous regulatory bodies, its standout features include high leverage, swap-free accounts, zero spread on specific accounts, and an inclusive environment for traders of all levels. Mapa-beginner ka man, intermediate, or advanced trader, according to this broker, may tamang pagkalalagyan tayo. Now, ito naman yung important or top features ng HFM as a broker. Una, meron itong high leverage which is 1:2,000 and available din po dito ang zero spreads which is napaka-advantage nito dahil ma-minimize natin ang trading cost at ma-maximize ang profits. Next, itong mga educational resources, extensive tools aiding skill enhancement including webinars, Facebook live shows, and daily technical analysis. Actually, dito sa atin sa Pilipinas, merong mga offline seminars ang HFM na ginagawa to support their traders. Diverse account options na pwede po nating pagpipilian according to our trading needs. Wide asset range with over 500 assets including forex, stocks, and cryptocurrencies, and that gives us diverse investment opportunities na pwede nating pasukin the moment mag-trade tayo sa broker nito. So this time, ang pag-uusapan naman natin ay ang mga account types ng HFM na ino-offer to their clients. So merong 4 na option na pwede po nating pagpipilian according to our trading needs. Una, itong premium. Next, the cent. Meron ding zero and the pro account. So by description or features, premium is zero commissions. Ang cent naman, of course, makapag-trade tayo in cents. Zero is zero spreads. And the pro is low spreads. Generally, yung currencies ay available with USD, Euro, Nigerian Naira, and Japanese Yen. Except with cent, of course, the US dollar cent. In terms naman sa commission, of course, itong premium is no commission. Ganon din ang cent. And the pro account, wala po itong commission sila. As we can evaluate mga kaibigan, itong zero spreads ay may commission na somehow napakababa din naman. Starting from 0.03 in currency pairs or forex, and the gold is 0.07. In terms naman sa instrument na pwede nating i-trade, all instruments ay available with premium, zero, and pro accounts except nitong cent, of course, na ang pwede lang natin i-trade dito is forex and gold. Minimum lot size for all of the accounts available is 0.01 lot. Ang spreads naman with premium and the cent is 1.2 pip and pro account naman is 0.5. So napakababa ng pro account in terms of spreads. And with zero account from 0 pip on forex. Now, ito naman yung pinaka good news in terms of trader na maaaring maglagpas ng isang araw yung trade na i-execute dahil ang HFM ay swap free, no? So kung makikita natin dito, in all account types ay wala po itong swap. At ang pinaka best part pa nito, lahat ng account types ay copy trading support. Ibig sabihin ay hindi na natin kailangan mag-open ng iba pang account if we are going to invest in copy trading. Alright? So kung wala ka pang trading account with HFM at kung gusto mo itong subukan, maglalagay po ako ng link sa description ng video natin. Gaya po nito, merong HFM register. You can simply click it at dito ka ira-route directly sa sign up page na makikita natin sa screen ngayon. If you are using your mobile phone, wala naman po yung problema dahil ang kabuuang registration process with desktop and mobile phone ay pare-pareho lang. In terms of registration, merong tatlong option dito na pwede nating pagpipilian. Una, itong individual. Next, corporate for companies. And joint para sa mga may kasama na magti-trade at gustong magbukas ng iisang account lang. So mostly sa atin as retail traders ay karaniwan dito sa individual. Now all we need to do is of course ilagay ang ating country of residence, the Philippines, then our active email address, and create your desired password. And agree lang po natin itong for privacy policy, then proceed to register. Input nyo lang ang mga information na kailangan until for the final part of the registration is itong KYC process, which is ang pag-upload ng ating valid ID like driver's license, passport, or any other government IDs as proof of identity, and also itong mga proof of address documents like internet bill, electricity bill, and bank account statements at iba pa. So in terms naman sa kanilang mga licenses, HFM is regulated by top-tier regulatory bodies, including nitong the Financial Conduct Authority, United Kingdom, Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission, Dubai Financial Services Authority in the United Arab Emirates, Financial Services Commission in Mauritius, Financial Services Authority in St. Vincent and the Grenadines, Financial Sector Conduct Authority in South Africa, and Capital Markets Authority in Kenya. Now obviously, dito sa atin sa Pilipinas, wala pong concrete regulation in terms of brokers. But as long as a broker complied with the certain laws that governs financial sector dito sa ating bansa ay wala po itong problema. Like sa iba pang mga broker na pwede tayong mag-trade dito sa Pilipinas, ganun din po ang HFM ay open at somehow legit na nakapag-operate dito sa ating bansa. Talking about HFM trading platform, pwede po tayong makapag-trade dito with MetaTrader 4 and the MetaTrader 5, which is available for download in our desktop, and pwede rin po natin itong ma-access with MT5 or MT4 WebTrader. Para sa mga beginner, magkakaroon po tayo ng separate tutorial paano ito i-download at i-connect ang iyong trading account with MT4 or MT5. Of course, meron ding HFM online trading app na pwede nating gamitin anytime and anywhere in our mobile phone as long as merong internet. At pwede mo itong i-download at masubukan. Maglalagay din po ako ng link sa description ng video natin upang ma-download mo ito directly through your mobile phone. Okay? Ito naman yung personal traders area or user interface ng HFM to their clients. Ngayon, kung nakagawa ka na ng trading account with this broker, explore mo lang ang mga navigation na nandito. And in my personal opinion, this is very user-friendly, kaya hindi komplikado, especially para sa mga beginners. And before we are going to end this presentation, visit muna natin ang mode of payments na available for deposits and withdrawal. So first, tignan natin yung deposit. Kung makikita natin dito, ito yung mga category ngayon ng mga mode of payments na available for depositing our fund upang makapagsimulang mag-trade dito sa HFM. First, credit and debit cards available. Meron ding bank transfer and may mga alternatives. At the same time, available din ang crypto. So sa credit and debit cards, available ang Mastercard and Visa. Sa bank transfer naman, merong wire transfer, meron ding bank e-wallets and cash. At ito yung pinaka-common ginagamit sa atin in terms of alternative. Merong local e-wallets and cash payments. Nandito ang GrabPay, GCash, ShopeePay, and Maya. Available din ang FasaPay, Neteller, and Skrill. And sa crypto, merong option A, option B, and available din ang BitPay and Binance Pay. Okay? Now, in terms naman sa pag-withdraw ng ating funds, merong direct online banking, wire transfer, Neteller, Skrill, available din ang web money, and with crypto, nandito ang BitPay. And of course, ang aking paborito, local e-wallets, nandito ang GCash, ShopeePay, GrabPay, and Maya. Ayan. As to my personal experience mga kaibigan, fast and reliable ang deposit and withdrawal dito sa HFM. Finally, in conclusion, HFM delivers an exceptional user experience. Its website features an intuitive design, ensuring seamless navigation. The platform, coupled with excellent customer support, is known for its efficiency. Traders appreciate the hassle-free account opening, reflecting HFM's commitment to users' convenience and satisfactions. It's really true naman talaga mga kaibigan, mabilis at walang hassle ang pagbukas ng trading account with this trading broker. With high leverage, diverse assets, and zero spreads, it caters to a broad audience from beginners to expert. HFM innovative approach, strong regulatory compliance, and user-centric design makes it a noteworthy choice for traders seeking a dynamic, reliable, and cost-effective trading experience. Now with that said, kung ang tanong ngayon is reliable ba at mapagkatiwalaan or legit ang HFM, the answer is yes. At isa po ito sa matagal ng broker na available and with proven track record dito sa Pilipinas. So that's all lang po muna for this video mga kaibigan. I hope nakuha mo ang tamang information na gusto mong malaman with HFM broker dito sa atin sa Pilipinas. Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Good luck with your trading journey.